Hi everybody, this is going to be another add-on video to the Botsheets carts template example. Somebody asked a question in the community the other day, which was how to handle different size options for different products. So for example, dresses might come in small, medium, and large, and you want to give the user the ability to pick their size. Whereas some items though, maybe like scarves or stickers and pillows, they don't really have sizes. So we don't want to ask the user what size they are. So I thought this was a good question that somebody asked the other day. So I went through and I added the ability, and now I'm going to walk through the steps that I took to add the ability to the Botsheets carts template. If you haven't already, please watch the webinar where Josh Barkin and I go through the entire template for Botsheets carts. We go through every flow and talk about this new feature, which is removing rows from Botsheets. And so after you watch the webinar, then that's probably a good time then to add different add-ons like this one. So let's get into it. There is a sheet called products. And what I first did was I added two columns. This first column has sizes, and that's just a true or false value. So for example, the dresses, they do have sizes, whereas this is scarves. Scarves do not have sizes. So the accompanying column is size options. And this is the options that that product can have. So the dresses can come in small, medium, and large, whereas this product here, which happens to be hoodies, they can come in small, medium, large, or extra large. So these are the options that we'll present the user with. Okay, so once you have those two columns, you want to go into the add to cart flow. And here's what I changed. In this Botsheets text request, which is where, if you remember from the webinar, we use a product ID to get the information about a product. So we search where G is equal to the product ID. So for example, a product ID could be like 1 or 2. 1 is the dress. So we get a JSON object back, and you don't have to worry too much about how that all works. Basically, just copy what I have done here, which is I get the has sizes column. So this is a open bracket, 0 close bracket, dot has underscore sizes. This is the exact same name as it is in the column of the Google Sheet. And we map that to a custom user field called user product has size. And then we have size options, and again we map that to another custom user field called user product size options. Great, so now we have those two values of a particular product. So I now know if a product has a size, and I know what the size options are for that product. I can then check to see if that user product has size is true. So does this product require a size input? If it does, then we'll ask them what size. If it doesn't, then we'll just add the product right to the cart. So here we ask, what size would you like? And we then give them the size options. So this custom user field here is the user product size options. So this will print out small, medium, large, and then the user can respond with small or medium or large or S or M or L. That might be a good spot to put smart words, which is something that Josh Barkin worked on. Basically, you can take in user input. So if they say S or small, capital S, capital or lowercase s for small, you can take that and use smart words to figure out what they mean, and save it as a value that you want to keep everything in. So that's good for user input. I won't get into that too much now, but it's just a pretty cool thing. So now you have the size, and so you'll want to add that to your Google Sheet. So this is the last step that I added, which was I then took the size choice that they picked, and I saved it to a column called size in the carts sheet here. So let's do a quick demo. Here are my products, and so if I pick dresses, add to cart, it's going to ask what size I would like. So I can say small, And then we can see here that it added the dresses to my cart, and it gave it an accompanying, and it gave it a size to match, small.